Hello there. Welcome to the video. My name is Tommy. Today I will be explaining how to make YouTube videos using only your phone. This video is for introverted people as myself who don't like recording their voice or are camera shy. The first things you will need is a script or an idea of what you'll want said and some photos or video clips for the viewers to look at so you aren't boring them to death. You will also need to download a few apps such as Narrator's Voice, PowerDirector, and Pixart. I'm sure there are alternative apps, but these are what I use. These are good for beginners because they are all free. Starting off, for a voice like the one I'm using now and many other options, I use Narrator's Voice. It should be the first app that comes up when you type text-to-speech in the App Store. The next app I'll be mentioning is Pixart. This app allows you to edit photos. This is not as necessary as the other apps, but if you'd like to create a thumbnail or edit photos for your video, then it is definitely a must-get. Finally, the app that ties it all together is PowerDirector. With this app you can create videos with images or video clips and audio. I have used it a few times in the last to make simple videos for music with only the cover art and the audio. If you are interested in hearing my absolutely terrible abomination I call music, there will be a link in the description below. One last thing I should mention, if it isn't already obvious, this video is made by using all the steps I have explained here in this video. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like and let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video, hopefully.